Hello, I am Dr. B.B. Khatri. I am ENT consultant surgeon. I am going to tell you about blocked stuffy nose. Blocked nose is a very common problem, and usually it is caused by swelling and congestion of the tissues in the nose due to inflamed blood vessels, and sometimes it is accompanied by a nasal discharge and other symptoms. The common causes of nasal blockage stuffy nose is deviated nasal septum, then allergic rhinitis, common cold, flu, then nasal polyps, and there can be enlargement of adenoid tissue, which is similar tissue which is situated behind the nose, and sometimes traumatic swelling can cause nasal blockage or stuffy nose. It is also common during pregnancy and a disease which is called vasomotor rhinitis, in which some factors are responsible like humidification, temperature change, etc. To diagnose the disease or cause of the stuffy blocked nose, we have to examine the nose and see the condition. If there are some polyps or congested turbinate swelling of the tissue, discharge, and throat and other examination, then we may have to do certain investigation like CT scan, X-ray, PNS, or some allergic test. The common remedies household remedies are usually steam inhalation and well hydration, which this hydration makes the mucus clear and liquefy and make it clear. Then elevation of the head and some saline spray also helpful for the home remedies. Then when you contact the doctor, the treatment usually is anti-allergic, antihistaminic tablets, and then nasal spray which also have anti-allergic action. They are steroid nasal spray, locally acting. Then depending on the cause, there are polyps, then it has to be removed surgically, adenoids removed surgically, deviation of nasal septum, that is also corrected by surgery. And then depending on other causes, the specific treatment is there. Warning symptoms or signals should be kept in mind whenever there is stuffy nose with nasal discharge, which is especially yellow or greenish in nature, or one-sided discharge, along with the fever is there, or severe headache, or there is swelling of the face, nose, eyes. Then it has to be immediately contacted to the doctor. And head injury followed by nasal discharge. If there is a cough which is more than lasting 10 days along with yellowish greenish discharge, then you have to contact immediately the doctor. As these symptoms, warning symptoms I told you, in that condition if some symptoms are there and not responding to home remedies, then you can contact me and you can consult me.